Hello students, let's do few MCQs of sets. For any set A, complement of A complement is equals to A complement, A, phi or none of these. So you have to remember complement of A complement is equals to set A itself. So option B is the correct answer. Second one, let A and B be two sets in the same universal set, then A minus B is equals to, so A minus B is equals to A intersection B, A complements intersection B, A intersection B complement and none of these. So with the help of Venn diagram, we will understand this. This is universal set and in this universal set, we have two sets A and B. So first of all, what is A minus B? So A minus B is A but not B. So A but not B, it is this part. A minus B is this part. So B minus A is this part. So you should know these things. Now let's see which option is correct. A intersection B. See, A intersection B is this part, the common part of A and B. So which is not the correct answer. So second option says A complements intersection with B. Yes, we don't need A complement. Our answer should have A. So that means these two options are not correct. So third one we will see. So third one is A intersection B complement. First of all, what is B complement? B complement is everything other than B. Everything other than set B. So this is B complement. Now A intersection B complement. So what is A? A is this one. So the common part is this. Common part is this one, which is equals to A minus B as well. So option C is the correct answer. Let's do next one. The number of subsets of a set containing n elements is n 2 raised to power n minus 1, n square or 2 to the power n. So this also you have to remember, number of subsets is always equals to 2 to the power n. So option D is the correct answer. So for full concept, you can refer my channel. So full sets is completed on my channel. We Learn tutorial. Subscribe for more videos.